at this place. It's that same shit guild.
Okay.
Oh, with maybe a few ads.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Get
Get over here. We'll farm these guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
Coming.
Well. They're not. They don't even have siege down.
All right. There's only. Let's wait till everyone's here. That's not 1520.
Come from around this
Yeah.
other
If
side.
that's like 10 maybe.
Okay, get ready. We're gonna push him now. Quickness up, stabs up. Going right into him, hit him in the back.
Well contact.
That's how amazing I am.
Target identified.
Pushing into him, putting the line down.
They're mostly down on the water. Or, well, not mostly, but like half of them. They split off.
Stabs up.
Stand your ground.
Moving target.
What is possessing me?
Bogeys.
Okay, got a couple bogeys where I'm at. I think we split.
I'm on you.
Okay. No, I mean the other groups happened to split off. Quickness up.
Might makes me right.
Lol.
Hold that guy and he tried to run to that other group.